Hey everybody. Hello everybody. Hey everybody. It's Brock. This is Brock. And we got a new episode with another episode of All About. What's up everybody, it's Brock and we got a brand new episode of All About, and today we are learning about another very cool beginner fish you can get for your tank, one that's very hardy and really easy to get to start to eat and can normally survive any mess ups you normally make in your tank at the beginning. These are the blue velvet damselfish, or as other people like to call them, the Japanese damselfish. Prices on them, normally spend about $10. Sometimes I see them on sale for about $6, so you definitely want to watch, make sure no one is charging you too much for them. Tank size, you need about a 30 gallon for one of them. Sometimes you can go smaller if he's the only one in the tank. They can just be very territorial at times. Care level, they're super easy. Like I said, they're a great beginner to fish to get. They're probably one of the prettiest damsels you can get out there. Temper, they can be very aggressive. Whenever they're young, they're really not that bad. They can be aggressive towards some of the more peaceful fish, but really when the aggression starts is when he gets older. Reef safe, he's definitely a great reef fish to get, but like I said, he can be aggressive towards your other peaceful fish. Temperature, you want to keep it 72 to 78, DKH 8 to 12, pH 8.1 to 8.4, and your salinity 1.020 to 1.025. Max size, surprisingly enough, they can get up to about 6 inches. That's a big damselfish. We had one that we sold as this size that you see in the video to a guy, and a few years down the line, he had to bring it back up because it was beating up all his fish, and it was about 5 inches long, and now he's in a tank with like a puffer, a trigger, and an eel because they just tend to get that aggressive. Colors on them, of course, they got the black body with the really pretty neon blue markings on them. Diet, they are omnivores. Good thing about damsels is they're really good about eating pretty much anything you put in the tank. Flake food, pellets, frozen food like mysis and brine shrimp, the little frozen cubes are all really good things to feed them that'll keep them happy. And these dudes eat like little piranhas, so make sure the other fish in the tank are getting food too. Origin, they do come from Indonesia. Compatibility, just ask down in the comments. Like I said, they can be very territorial once they're established in a tank. They can be in a group if the tank is big enough. The only problem is whenever you have a smaller tank, like if you put a bunch of them in your 30 gallon, they tend to get territorial at different spots in the tank, and so then you got them fighting each other constantly over territory. So if you get a group of them, make sure you have a big enough tank. And like I said, as it ages, they are going to get more aggressive, and they tend to lose some of their really pretty colors that they have whenever they're younger. The neon blue lines get a little bit shorter. He starts getting kind of a little bit more white markings on him, just really showing his age. But other than that, it's a really good beginner fish to get. He's really good about eating. He survives the cycle in case you put him in too early or in case anything spikes on you and you don't realize it. But other than that, great beginner fish with very pretty colors, and I think you'll like him. Hope you all have a good day. If you got any other comments, want to know what you can put him with, or if he will survive in your tank, please ask down below. Hope you all have a great day, and I will see y'all later.